In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your own account's former usernames. So as you probably know that you can go ahead and you can see people's former usernames on their account, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your former usernames on your account. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram app, and then once you open up your Instagram, you will obviously be on your feed here. And from here, you will need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner and head over to your profile. Once you click on your profile picture, you will now need to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner of your screen. And then once you click on the three lines, the option we need now is settings. Once you click on settings, as you can see, there is many options here, but the one we need in today's video will be the security option. Once you click on security, as you can see under data and history, there is an option now for access data. Once you click on access data, it will redirect you over to your account info and stuff like that. And then as you can see near the bottom of the page under profile info, there is now an option for former usernames, and you can click on the view all option to bring it up. And then as you can see, for my account, my former usernames will be listed here, and I have only had one, which is _2minute_tutorials. So that's how you can find your former usernames for your own account. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.